First at 4:30, the lawyers for Mackenzie Shirilla are making another attempt to get her conviction overturned. Shirilla, you'll remember, was found guilty of murder in a 2022 crash that killed her boyfriend, Dominic Russo, and their friend, Davion Flanagan.
So the new filing shows her new lawyers are blaming her past lawyers, arguing that they didn't effectively represent her. Tyler Madden has been going through all of this, and he joins us now. So break down for us some of the key points here, Tyler.
So, Christy, the lawyers now representing Mackenzie Shirilla are petitioning a federal court in hopes of getting her conviction thrown out and ordering a new trial. In the petition filed late yesterday, they argue there wasn't enough evidence to move Shirilla's case to adult court when she was under 18 at the time of the crash. They argue excessive speed at the time and where the crash took place is not sufficient evidence under state law to try Shirilla as an adult. The filing also accuses Shirilla's former counsel of not presenting evidence at trial that could have proved her innocence. It says that evidence also gave a reason for Shirilla being in that area at the time. Her new lawyer says a local grocer whose store was near the crash scene left produce for her to pick up at a 24-hour drop spot, and that grocer was never asked at trial about this. Now, the filing reads in part, quote, the prosecution theorized that the location was intended to be private in order for Shirilla to crash the vehicle without immediate attention, but the defense had evidence that a local grocer had left a package of produce for Shirilla at a 24-hour pickup spot at a store located in the vicinity of the crash scene. This would have provided a benign explanation for why Shirilla was driving in this particular area that morning. Evidence not presented by the defendant, even though the grocer testified about other matters. This latest filing comes about a month after the Ohio Supreme Court declined to hear an appeal. Shirilla is still in the Ohio Reformatory for Women in Marysville, where she's serving a 15 years to life sentence. Now, we're continuing to go through this, and I'll be back at 5 with what other evidence her lawyers say was left out.
Yeah, we know you have a lot to sift through there, Tyler. Thank you so much. Appreciate that.